This is a Japanese Seiko flip clock, battery operated. It was sold in Japan, and it is in a very good condition. It's a 12-hour flip clock, so it says 10 AM or 10 PM, for example, and the alarm is currently turned off. I will turn it on again. You can hear it. Pretty loud, pretty clear, not too annoying. There's a button for the light, which does work, but it's a bit difficult to see. Okay, it's got a very nice organic kind of like shape, like the Alessi cookie jar. And there's a sticker on the back. It originally sold for 5,000 Japanese yen, which was quite a lot of money, I think, like in the days anyway. As you can see, it's obviously working. It's in a very nice condition. Carefully restored it back to this condition. This is the bottom side of it. A large battery. So I don't know the model name for this clock, but I take it that's not a very big issue.